temp checks.
Pro checks. Right, belts are off. No passengers or belts left is fastened. If you please, we'll keep them off on this landing. And hydraulic pumps are auto, and avionics are set for the approach.
AirPod 1 approach 124.6.
124.6, AirPod 1.
Fine. Right, heading 330, last 1107.
SoCal, AirPod 1 is 10,000, descending via the THRNE4, information Whiskey Van Nuys.
AirPod 1, SoCal, Burbank, altimeter 2998, can expect ILS Zulu, runway 16 right.
2998, expect ILS Zulu, runway 16 right, AirPod 1.
Okay.
908 my side.
908.
And we get the ILS Zulu 16 right loaded.
Perfect.
Hope that we can see the field with this haze once we get a little closer, but if we do, we'll just ask for a visual left base over Burbank.
November 0, Romeo Juliet, descend to maintain 9,000.
Descend maintain 9,000, 6 0 on Jeff.
Last 1107, Connect approach 128.75.
128.75, Alaska 1107, great day.
Office 3701, you can go to Yappy, resume the departure, Connect LA Center, 12520.
Turkey Happy, and LA 125.8, Southwest, or 70 running.
Super amazing today. Yeah. The sun going down is not going to help it.
Yeah.
Pod 1, AirPod 1, descend to maintain 7,000.
7,000, AirPod 1.
7,000.
Get rid of the VNAV.
You're right.
Departure big stripe 176, 2000, time 4000, order.
Expect 176, SoCal departure, radar contact, line maintain 13,000.
17, 13, 13,000, big stripe 176.
Number 0, Romeo Juliet, Connect approach 124.3.
124.3, have a good night there, Jeff.
AirPod 1, turn right heading 315, vector to final.
315, vector to final, AirPod 1.
Big Sharp 176, turn right heading 320, vector for incline.
315.
Big stripe 176.
Big Trip 176, Canuck approach 128.75.
Okay, 2075, so long, Big Trip 176.
Can you see Burbank over there?
I can. It's a little bit hard, but you can see it. What is it? 5? Yeah, it's about 5 miles.
AirPod 1, Canuck approach 120.4.
120.4, AirPod 1. SoCal, AirPod 1 is 7,000, heading 315.
AirPod 1 to Calibre Treasure. Source speed 94, turn right heading 070.
Right turn 070, source speed 94.
I'll line you up from Fury.
Go for it. Looks good.
Service 94, you're 3
See
miles
one
from
traffic
Knots,
on
flying
final.
130, maintain 5,000 till established, cleared out Zulu 16
That's the
right.
second one.
130, heading 5,000 till established, cleared ILS Zulu
See him
16, source speed
10
94.
o'clock low?
Negative.
Okay. AirPod 1, we have the traffic over Fury inside if that helps.
AirPod 91, the one 9 o'clock or the one 11 o'clock?
The one that's crossing Fury right now.
Okay, you're following one that's about 2 miles north of Junot.
Got it.
AirPod 1 traffic, you're following is about 10 o'clock and 6 miles.
Yeah, we see it on TCAS. We're still looking for a visual. AirPod 1.
AirPod 1, roger, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000, traffic in sight.
AirPod 1, roger, and did you want the visual? The field's 9 to 10 o'clock, or correction, not 8 o'clock in about 10 miles?
Yeah, we'd like to do the visual, not just yet. We have an idea where it is, we just can't see it yet, AirPod 1.
AirPod 1, roger, just for now, descend and maintain 6,000. I'm just going to vector for the ILS.
6,000 vectors for the ILS is also a good AirPod 1.
Service C94, connect tower 19-3, good day.
Over to tower, you have a great day, source speed 94. And SoCal service speed 61 is level 8,000, direct change.
Service C61, SoCal, hello, Burbank altimeter is 29er, maintain 210 knots or less, and descend and maintain 7,000.
210 or less on the speed, down to 7,000, source speed 61.
AirPod 1, turn left ending 260.
260, AirPod 1.
260.
260. And traffic still in sight.
AirPod 1, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000, AirPod 1.
That's that.
That's...
And 2 Delta X-ray, traffic 12 o'clock, 8 miles, appears to be westbound at 2,000 feet, taps unknown, rate of service terminated, squawk VFR for exchange period, have a good day.
Go to VFR, just got good day.
Alright, I see the airport now.
Service C61, cross Umber at or above 6,000, cleared ILS Zulu 16 right.
Upper at or above
barely see
6,000,
it.
cleared ILS Zulu 16 right, silver speed 61.
I won't stand you.
AirPod 1 is 3 miles from Janot, flighting 190, maintain 5,000 until established, cleared ILS Zulu 16 right approach.
190, 5,000 until established. Clear ILS Zulu 16 right, AirPod 1.
AirPod 1, do not exceed 170 knots.
Not exceeding 170 knots, AirPod 1.
Right. Last one.
Service C61, do not exceed 170 knots.
On a 170, over speed 61.
And we're clear for the approach, right?
Yes, we are. Clear ILS Zulu 16 right. And the frequencies, ground 21.7 and tower 19.3. 1920.2 from Nuys. Okay, sea localizer green.
Level 8000, we have whiskey. Point for Bravo, Circle, approach low altimeter 2999, respect ILS Zulu 16 right, descend to maintain 6000. 999er, expect ILS Zulu 16 right, maintain 6000, forward from.
Try to stay at 5 miles from this guy.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, usually if you don't go below 2.
AirPod 1, slowest practical speed.
Slowest practical speed, AirPod 1.
Here now.
AirPod 1, the citation in front of you decided to slow back to about 120 across the ground, your 4.5 trail connect tower 19.3.
19.3, thanks for the heads up, AirPod 1.
Alright, left turn. And then ground 0.7.
Flaps full.
Cherokee 30 Foxtrot, turn 10 degrees
full.
left, vector sequence.
10 degrees to the left, vector sequence, 30 Foxtrot.
Very nice tower, AirPod 1 on the ILS Zulu 16 right, slowing to final approach speed and parking signature east.
About 1 minute, so penalty, citation 4 mile, final, 16 right, continue.
16 right, continue, AirPod 1.
Gulfstream 02 Charlie.
Okay, four lane checks, gear down 3 greens.
I see that.
Flaps 30.
Alright,
we're clear for the approach, not for the landing. And we just gotta wait for the and then the lights.
Cessna 79 Lima, turn right for the downwind.
Downwind, 709,
30 Foxtrot, turn left for the downwind.
Turn left to the downwind, 30 Foxtrot.
And then we'll vacate left on either Quebec or Romeo at the end. We'll see.
Alright.
No rush. And missed approach is, let's put the 1700.
So speed 94, traffic off the left, Carla Romeo Cherokee, 16 right, clear land.
6 right, clear land, we'll get that traffic inside, slow speed 94. 30 Foxtrot.
30 Foxtrot, extend downwind. Reported Challenger 5 mile final on site, change 316 left.
Okay, downwind almost, I'm above the 118. I don't have the Challenger inside.
30 Foxtrot, climb if you need to, extend downwind for Challenger 4 mile final on set. Traffic alert, costing 00 Charlie, heading to your left. Advise you fly straight out, I will call you left-bound turn. We're flying straight ahead, 00 Charlie.
Can I do a 360 here? I do have the Challenger inside, so 30 Foxtrot.
No 360, Cherokee 30 Foxtrot,
I see.
extend downwind,
1
no
o'clock,
360.
same altitude. Perfect.
I have the Challenger inside, sir, for 30 Foxtrot.
Costing 00 Charlie, turn left, resume the SID, connect SID out departure 124.6. Left, resume the SID, will contact departure 00 Charlie.
And I think you 30 Foxtrot. That's right.
Cherokee 30 Foxtrot, turn base.
30 Foxtrot, turning base. Is this for 16 left?
30 Foxtrot, affirmative, change by 16 left.
16 left, 30 Foxtrot, thank you, sir.
You did not get Cherokee 30 Foxtrot, just turn base.
Sir, I'm turning base, sir. 30 Foxtrot.
7 Lima, make left 360s and hold.
Left 360s and hold, 7 Lima.
Cherokee 30 Foxtrot, contact Van Nuys Tower,
Somebody on the base.
120.2.
Still at
And yeah, we
cruise.
still need a landing clearance.
Van Nuys Tower, service speed 61 is ILS Zulu 16 right.
So speed 61, traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound for the Pearl Runway to Cherokee, 2,700 indicated.
Speed 61, roger, looking.
So speed 94, kind of ground point 7.
10.7, slow speed 94, good luck.
AirPod 1, kind of ground point, correction. For 16 right, clear to land.
16 right, clear to land, AirPod 1. Alright, clear to land, lights are on.
Clear to land.
4 landing checklist
61, traffic
complete.
off left to the Pearl Cherokee, you're following a Challenger 1 mile final, 16 right to land.
6 right, clear to land, we got the Cherokee inside, service speed 61.
Cessna, 7 Lima. Once you complete your 360, your number 3 final citation jet on a 5-mile final report them in sight. There's a Challenger 1-mile final. Your final citation jet 5-mile final.
Sorry, what are your numbers?
You're clear off the left.
Passes, information. What information?
Cessna 7 Lima. Your final citation jet on a 4-mile final report in sight. Actually, amend that. Just continue left 360s and hold.
Continue left 360s and hold, and we have the citation.
618 Delta Hotel, man. Sorry, checking in.
Yeah, checking in. We have whiskey, and we're looking for the traffic on the approach.
Just a Delta Hotel Rise to remain east of finals. Fly over San Fernando Reservoir, straight in 16 left.
50.
Flyer was
40,
something on
30,
Reservoir for 161
20.
Delta Hotel.
Gulfstream 1-4 Bravo, Van Sorry, up.
Up, 4 from.
Gulfstream Bravo number
Spoilers
2,
are
final
out.
position jet, 3-mile final. Traffic, left
Reversers
cross
are
1 mile
green.
is on east of your course. Is
100
a
knots.
Cessna 580.
8 knots.
Okay, we've got the Cessna 4 from.
Gulfstream Bravo, thank you. Remain 16 right, number 2, good land. Additional traffic, 4 mile left base
go all
of
the way.
Pearl Runway Cherokee.
Okay, 16 right clear, land number 2, and we're looking for the other traffic 4 from.
Gulfstream Bravo is going to be 1 Challenger jet departure prior to your arrival.
Okay, 4 from.
Just a Delta Hotel, report that Gulfstream coming up on your right and above you in sight, caution brake turbulence.
Looking at Delta Hotel. Got the traffic, 8 Delta Hotel.
Say Delta Hotel, thank you, connect Van Star 120.2.
That's our 120.2, 8 Delta Hotel.
Airport 1 going over to the ground.
Employer route, Skyler bound, Palm 7.
Down 2.
Up 2.
Ground Airport 1 on Romeo to Siggy.
Airport 1 Van is going Bravo to the ramp.
Bravo to the ramp, Airport 1.
Alright, after landing checks.
Soft landing.
And no APU.
Alright. Soft landing is complete.
Be done. And I'm pretty sure they want us from the north side.
Yeah.
Van Nuys ground, Surf 61 off of Mike 16 right, Texas Jet Aviation.
Excellent.
Surf 61 Van is going to taxi out for the ramp.
For the ramp, Surf 61.
That is clear.
Alright. Let's go get some in and out.
Let's do it.